Let's talk a bit about changing the denominator of a fraction. So for example, let's take our example of 1/4, 1/4. And let's imagine we want to know how many eighths that would be. So what's the equivalent of 1/4 expressed in eighths? So here's our drawing. So 1/4, divide up our square into 4 equal pieces. But we can also divide those up further. So if we split each one in half, then we end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal pieces, and 2 of those are coloured in. So we could say that 1/4 is equal to 2/8. Now how would we do that without drawing it out? Well, for this we have to remember two things. First of all, we have to remember that multiplying any number by 1 does not change the value of the number. And secondly, we have to remember that any fraction where the numerator and denominator are the same is equal to 1. So if we want to... So 8 is equal to 4 times 2. So to go from 4 to 8, we need to multiply the denominator by 2. And because of those things we've just told you, we also need to multiply the numerator by 2. So 1/4 times 2/2. So that's the same as multiplying by 1. Let's write that out. Same as multiplying by 1. So now we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So that's 1 times 2/4 times 2, which is 2/8. Let's take another example. So how about we want to express 1/3 in a fraction with a denominator of 18. So 1/3 is equal to how many 18ths? So we know that 18 is equal to 3 times 6. So therefore, same idea again. So now we need to multiply the denominator by 6, but also we have to multiply the numerator. So it's like multiplying by 1 and we do not change the value. So 1/3 times 6/6. So again, this is the same as multiplying by 1. It's equal to 1 times 6/3 times 6 is equal to 6/18. And if we drew it out, we'd see the same thing. So we start off with thirds. I'm sorry about this. There we go. So 1, 2, 3. Got one of them. But then to divide this into 18, we need to divide each of the thirds into 6 pieces. So we divide 1, 2. It's not a very good drawing, but you get the idea. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces coloured in out of the 18. Third example, how about 14/27? So we're going into slightly bigger numbers that we can't conveniently draw now. So 14/27 is equal to how many 81ths? So again, we work out that 81 is equal to 27 times 3. And so we multiply 14/27 times 3/3, which is the same as multiplying by 1. So then the equivalent fraction will be 14 times 3/27 times 3, which if we multiply it is equal to 42/81.